South African people now they para. Then these people go thief their president iPad. Hey, I never hear this one reach. On a get mind, gather moral. Our South African people, it means on our own thief. Now they go, in fact, now they go school, go gather degree to take thief. Because for person to thief a whole iPad for president, not be even normal person iPad, the whole president of South Africa. Now people come decide say yes, they don't already plan this one. Say now iPad now you won't go thief. Hey, I shocked. This one over shocked me. But as the matter be, this president don't come aside. They say this man go press conference. He won't go give speech and now there iPad day. As Oga reach there, now there Oga confused. He don't know what he want talk again because everything went right. They inside this iPad. Why not go make this man like this now? Why not turn this man to move for that kind of stage? Me, I don't like this kind of thing. In fact, make na use na eye. Watch what thing happen for there.
Somebody decided that they want to dispossess me of my iPad. So I want that. Can I have my iPad, please? So where did you know where they took my iPad to? This is the problem of always handing out your gadgets to other people. It's always best that I should keep all these things with me all the time. I had it in my hand. It's gone.
South African people on a gather mind though. The man they even confused. He don't tell me. He saying just stand. The thing just disappear. The thing just disappear from your hand. How that one take happen? Because I don't even understand this kind of thing. From press conference to tiffin conference, I know they understand. Because the thing where they even surprise me now, president, he know they work alone. He get security. So how manage this thing to disappear from a president's hand? It means say they go even fit thief president as he be like this. It means that South African people, their level of thievery, they go fit even carry president self join body. If an ordinary iPad, they don't even safeguard iPad. Now, president, they won't come fit safeguard. This whole matter, it surprise me. This man supposed to sack all in security. Because it means that in this security, they know they do their work well at all. They know they work well. Because if said it, and I think the president said they even get a PA, a be personal assistant, a be somebody who always follow them. So why this man not give this person to this thing? They give this iPad to this person. Because they talk saying, now do you see the reason why the problem is you carry your iPad and give it to somebody? So the person when you give this iPad, so you don't even know the person. You see as this president himself say, make I never talk say this man know why is rich. You just there in midst of people, you don't know who you carry your iPad give. So what if say this person self now professional thief now pro, in don't wear suit guide say okay me self I won't come join them this man. Then in the case where you carry this iPad, now there himself collect them. But I don't say what they pen this man, when make this man come out and I should say important documents go there inside this thing. This man don't come out and they beg on us. South African thieves on known as help. Making a beg help this man find iPad because he really needs this iPad. Making a help this one I don't know be a police case they go report them to. I been I go carry this kind of matter. Because person wait if this thing self now, they never know. And I shall say this whole press conference is where you do I beg. I shall say CCTV cameras go there. Make I go and watch them. Know who carry this thing, no? Because this is already they carry ordinary. It means that anybody say they go just carry you, bundle you, vanish, you don't disappear. They don't even know where they won't see you again. But South people, in fact, on a day very powerful. It means that South African thief was past Nigeria. No, be only Nigeria. It is every day they go complain Nigeria thief this one. In fact, it means that South Africa now then be Baba. Now then be Oga for tiffin. Real chief for tiffin. This whole thing even surprised me. I shot make an even surprise say that your iPad now you don't even reach computer village inside Nigeria. They don't already even bargain for who won't buy this kind of thing. I beg we can help this man. The man will even cry in it. I even pity this president. He don't they won't cry. Say the thing was in my hand, the thing now the thing come vanish. Vanish just like that. From where to where? In fact, my people are back. Making I help this man find this thing. I see this one. I want to make I bring and come. Making myself using the eye. See what thing they happen inside South Africa. Anything where in a feel. Making I don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Making I don't forget to like them and also share this video so that everybody self go see what thing they happen inside South. I go see you now for the next video.